According to the official site, TriMassager Pro uses electrical muscle stimulation technology designed to target pressure points and relax tense muscles. The idea is pretty simple. Place the device on the area that hurts, turn it on, and let the stimulation help loosen tight muscles and improve circulation. For people dealing with long work days, gym soreness, or general back and neck tension, a portable massager like this can sound like a convenient alternative to expensive therapy sessions. The device is compact, easy to carry, and meant to be used at home, at the office, or even while traveling. Those are definitely attractive features for anyone looking for quick relief without scheduling appointments.
We don't promote this video in any way. This video is only for educational purpose.
Now let's talk about something buyers should pay attention to. One concern is that the design of TriMassager Pro looks very similar to generic massagers sold on wholesale marketplaces at much lower prices. That doesn't automatically mean the product is bad, but it does suggest the device may be a rebranded gadget being sold at a premium price, mainly because of marketing. Another thing worth noting is the lack of strong independent customer reviews. Most of the positive testimonials appear directly on the product's own website, which means they're controlled by the seller. Without verified ratings on larger retail platforms, it becomes harder to confirm how well the product works for real buyers. There are also some health claims on the site, suggesting the device may help with nerve pain, chronic discomfort, and even sleep issues. While massagers can definitely help with muscle relaxation, there's no visible clinical testing or medical certification supporting these broader claims. Overall, TriMassager Pro might be a convenient portable massager for basic muscle relaxation, but it's important to research carefully, compare prices, and read independent reviews before deciding if it's the right option for you.